uh, I have I copy this, go to page project. You will get 200 high quality citation and character backlinks. Put this in the title, put this freelancer, put this off page SEO option, and put the tag. Choose industries 3, 4, 5, 6, and put the in language English and tags off page SEO, backlinking, etc. And continue and go here. The second thing is this image. We put this image and 3, 4 images. Then citation backlinks, etc. are mentioned. They do this. Duplication page one, recheck duplication, 100% customer satisfaction, niche specific citation backlinks, complete report with login details, quick response 24/7. You will get boost. This is we have to tell him the benefits. Since 2020, I have optimized 50 plus WordPress websites. Okay, so this also we put here. This is in now in this in title. In title we put $100. In title we put this starter. In starter we will give him these options: off page SEO analysis, off page SEO analysis, copy here, paste, and over here off page SEO plus do follow. Then then put the description over here. What you will give them. I can put over here local citations, uh, niche specific sites, etc. Number of business locations 1, delivery time 10, delivery days 10 1, number of engagement forums off page plus backlink analysis. In this one, this will be $100. This much in this we can give him 2 again, and in this we can give him 3 things. In this 150, so whatever you are going to charge. So after you put all this information, then you go to next again. Then you go to gallery. Then you upload these images, whatever projects you have done over here. Then you upload these images, whatever project you have done, whatever sites you have ran. After that, we have the requirements. In requirements, we will give this description. Again, citation, what are we going to do in specific, this. And after that, it will be description. Uh, Description again. You, uh, we can put this or we can put this high quality backlinks, etc. Local citations. And then under review. It will go under review after you submit this. I'm not submitting because I've already done this. And then when it is submitted, you will get an email that your project catalog has been approved. And if I can't find it here, but I can find it here. In here, I will get a option. I will get a notification. Project catalog approved. Congratulations, your backlinks have been approved. Your project this has been approved. and then on your profile this will show up. So guys, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this. Hope you like the video and subscribe and give the thumbs up. And I will put all this information in the description, and you can download the whole product catalog from here. And the next one we will talk about this one. This is for you. So guys, thanks and have a good day.